cast me far away.
All right, Pretsters. So we got Wacky Cinco, frog, a big blade chatterbait, and a willow vibe. So we're gonna start off with, probably start off tossing the frog on the bank, see if we can get lucky. See if we can catch a big one on the frog first thing. And then if nothing happens, we'll slow down and see if we can catch something. There's bait fish cruising, so seen a couple fish blow out in the middle. Whoa, I stretched my groin out. Yeah, I think we're just gonna start off with the frog. See if we can surprise one on the bank. Get all this algae stuff off my dang feet, 'cause it's gross. We're ready to party. What would you start with if you just dropped in here? Trying to nail this frog. Ooh. That was sick. I saw that fish come up and I saw him come up and move a tule. Did you guys hear me? I was like, ooh, ooh. Let me back up, buddy. Let me get out of here. I was walking my frog out of that stuff and I saw the tule rocking. I was like, ooh, and he smashed it. Thanks, buddy. First one of the day. Nice little meanie. Nice little mean one right there. We call this guy Snaggletooth. Okay. Let's just get his length real quick, put him back in the water. I'll show you his face, because he's got an ugly one. Just want to get your link, buddy, and then you can go back in there and eat them bluegill, bud. $16. Call them 16 and a half. Got a little messed up mouth, but there we go. 16 and a half. Look at this guy's mouth. He's got a little mouth, you know what I'm saying? That noise you make. Oh, I thought you were gonna do it for us, bud. All right, nice 16 and a half incher to start the day. High percentage area. Nice. Got a little one-handed hook set for you, bud. Hopefully I didn't get you in the tongue. Nope, not in the tongue. Just the roof of the mouth, buddy. There we go. See? Even the small ones destroy the frog. Heck yeah, dude. That's a good little fish. Thanks, buddy.
spawn's been weird this year.
The what?
The spawn?
Yeah.
I think the last ones are just about finishing up.
Oh shit, that's a nice one. Dude, that's a nice one. Hey, let me help you.
That's a fat spot, dude.
That is a good little spot. Yeah. Well, fish start the morning.
It's a fat spot, dude.
Oh yeah, it's a good one. Choked it, dude.
Now I want those the numbers.
You know where?
Is
that it?
Yeah, that line right there, yeah. And then it starts to go over the terminus thing.
Yeah.
Those scoops. Those scoops fall over
No shit.
if it gets too high.
Yeah. Have you ever seen it that high?
I've seen it where it's in those.
Damn.
Not where it's too much, where they have to release them.
Yeah.
Cause that would be bad.
That's for sure.
Yeah, it's like their emergency spillway.
Damn.
Those things, they'll break down.
Hey, anytime here they should start releasing water.
Yeah. It is big. Big spot.
Yes! That's a good fucking spot, dude.
Oh shit.
Yes!
Healthy one, dude. It's like nice. Can't believe it, dude.
Got that on camera.
Oh, no way.
That's what I like about spots. They have these little pits on their jaw. You ever notice that? These little holes.
No shit.
That's how you can tell they're spots.
That is crazy.
Oh, we bleeding.
Is he?
Yeah. Not bad though. Looks like it's already.
Hey, you gonna go swimming again?
Off a hook. No Cinco.
You just set it down and it came up a minute.
Bro.
Dude. I got that on camera too. Here, let me help you out. This is crazy thick. That thing is a giant, bro. Okay. Okay. Dude, look at this guy's jaw. He's badass looking. This guy's got awesome colors on his jaw. Crazy cool. Dark bass hanging out in the darkness, huh? Number one, nice little keeper. So that was pretty cool. Got him. Oh, dude. I think I found a pretty sweet little pattern right here, you know what I'm saying? Good one, dude. Nice. Nice little keeper. And get it in. Hey, hey, hey. Let's measure this little guy. About 15 incher, 15 and a half. Nice. Well,